that you're enjoying life. My name is Tom Konechny, and together with my partner Pablo Steichler, we found Diamond Atelier. We could really express ourselves in this one build, and that's what I think makes this collaboration very special. The creative process was the most intense one and the most interesting one, but we really recreated something here. Input was to go with it. The actual, turning the wrenches, shaping the metal, and then assemble the finished product.
Those who dare seek it out stare down their limitations and harness its untamed power. Are you ready?